Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over no personal guarantee business auto finance through Ally Bank. Today's video, it's just going to be just about Ally Bank because Ally Bank tends to be the easiest one to get no PG auto loans through. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before I do, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure all notifications are turned on. I'm going to be kind of going over Ally's website, give you a little history about Ally business auto loans, and a little few data points as well. Let's go over to their website real quick before we jump into that. I'm not going to cover every little thing on here, but I just kind of wanted to point out that they have a commercial line of credit, financing, see here, financing in your business name. If you're looking to finance commercial vehicles in the business name without affecting your personal credit, Ally features two solutions: a third-party guarantee if you want to buy or lease vehicles in the name of your business, but you need to secure additional financing, you can have a third-party guarantee. So this means basically like a personal guarantee, or it could be a cross-corporate guarantee, meaning say you have two businesses, all right? You already have one already established and it has decent business credit. So you could use one business, your LLC or INC S Corp, to be a third-party guarantee for the business loan, or the business name only loan they have here. And it says if your business qualifies for financing without the owner's guarantee, you can obtain financing in the business name only. Gives you the ability to save your personal credit and for other use as well. Builds business credit in your name and protects yourself from liability related to the operation of the vehicle. All right. So that's it in a nutshell, but let's go over the requirements real quick. I don't want this video to be too long. So what you need to have is, I'm going to tell you a couple parts. One, I'm going to tell you what you need to have to show the dealership to increase your chances for approval. And then I'm going to tell you right now what you need to have on your business credit to be able to qualify. Okay. So ideally you want to be in business a year or more, but I have seen a couple people get approved for only 6 to 9 months being in business. And you want to have 12 to 15 combined business trading lines on all the business credit bureaus. Ideally, you want to have the most on Experian business credit profile because they do really look at the Experian nowadays the most. And then backup is Dun and Bradstreet. They're probably going to pull both of them. When I say combined 12 to 15, that's kind of meaning Dun and Bradstreet and Experian, at least 4 to 5 on each one. Okay. But you don't want to just have a whole bunch like Uline and Quill type trade lines. That's not going to work. Cheap ones. You're going to want to have, like it says here, I have listed, have at least vendor trade line reporting to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian with a limit of 7 to 10,000. You could go maybe 5,000, but you want to have a limit of 7 to 10,000, 5 being the minimum. So you want to have at least one vendor trade line that's reporting to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian business with a limit of, say, 5,000 or more. I know I have 7,000 listed on here, 7 to 10,000, but you want to really have 5,000 is really kind of the bare minimum. And I kind of made a mistake there. When I say limit, I don't really mean limit. I mean balance. So for instance, Dell, no personal guarantee business financing for, say, computers, the Dell card, Dell financial account, that would be a good one reporting. If you use that and you have a balance of, say, 5,000, 6,000, they give you 12 months, 0% APR, and it's a monthly payment. So you want to have at least one monthly payment that's in the, say, like 500 to 1,000. And that's really the bare minimum. Over 1,000 is really where you want to be. Why? Because that shows that a payment history, trade line experience to Ally that shows that you can handle these large payments every month, whether it be for just one vehicle, 2 vehicles, whatever the case might be. Have your INC or LLC business documents ready. So what I mean by that is you want to have your IRS EIN letter, your Secretary of State filing, and then go on your Secretary of State's website and get a certified copy of certificate of good standing. Most states, that's what they call it. At least 3 bank statements for the last 3 months, basically to show that you can afford the monthly payment. And you want to have a down payment of 3,000 to 5,000, depending on what model it is. And your personal credit could be pulled if your business credit's not too strong, just to see if you are paying your own personal bills on time. Okay. You want to have fair to good credit at least. So now what you need to do is fill this out. All right. As much as you can, I should say, of it. What you want to do is you want to go to the biggest dealership that's around you that should have a commercial department, but you're going to have increased chances if you go to a dealership that's large that has a commercial department because they're used to dealing with companies and business credit. But when you go in, don't even talk to the salespeople because they may not know anything about personal guarantee or anything like that. You're going to waste your time. And then you're going to get probably credit pulls on your own personal credit. So many. So you want to go to the commercial finance manager, or if they don't have a commercial department, go to the finance manager. Tell them that you would like to apply for no personal guarantee through Ally Bank. And when you go through Ally Bank, and then you could just put in your zip code. You can see here where I live, there's several dealerships that work with Ally. So have all your ducks in order, have everything like stapled, a nice folder, and then you're going to make their job a lot easier. It's going to increase your chances for approval. If they have to ask you for this document, that document, it's going to be harder. You want to have also a corporate resolution. If you don't know what that is, just Google it. The CEO, you still need to have something that shows you have the authorization to act on behalf of the company. When they say, why don't you want it in your personal name or whatever, just say to the finance manager, you don't want your personal credit to be affected at all. You could tell them you're going to be buying a house soon or something, and you can't have anything on your personal credit like that because it could affect your DTI as well. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions at all, put it in the comment section. I'm going to have all the links that I talked about today in the description below. And also, you can check out my other No PG Auto Loan videos, presentations that I've done last month. Okay. Recap real quick. Make sure that you have plenty of trade lines, and you want to have one trade line that's reporting for at least like 3 months, that's reporting a balance of at least $1,000 or more that you're making those payments and those trade line payment experiences. You don't want anything negative at all. If you're curious about your personal, your business credit, you can go to this right here. It's Experian smartbusinessreports.com/Brex. That'll give you 50% off. Put in your company name, city, and state, start the search, and it'll give you 50% off too. And it's normally for the annual reporting, it's $189, and that gives you updates. Anytime there's anything going on your Experian report, it's like updated almost daily. It's normally $189, but with their Brex partnership, it's only like $94. So can't really beat that at all. And you're going to get up-to-date information, be able to fill out any filmographic errors or company information that could be hurting you to get approved. So with all that being said, you guys take care. Hopefully I covered most of the information you guys were looking for. If not, put it in the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you. Okay, until next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.